the plus messages on your phone?
What?
Do you get the Google Plus messages on your phone?
Oh, no, I don't have Google Plus on my phone.
Oh, okay. Because I tried to send you a message earlier to ask you if you were coming so we could tell you we were on the 5th floor. I guess you're doing
Yeah, I left on the 3rd and 4th floor and you guys weren't there. The 3rd floor was empty when I was there.
When we checked, well, we got here a little early too. It was occupied when we checked.
Yeah, we should exchange numbers. That way you can just text us next time. But I'll give it to you after the broadcast. That way the whole world doesn't have my cell phone number.
Okay. Yeah.
Do you have it all pulled up?
Yeah.
Okay. So we kind of went over everything already, but we'll just go over everything.
Okay.
So for number 3, the symbol for the true population proportion is it's going to be just the P.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Have you done any of these already, or?
No. I got the first 3 done before I caught up to you guys.
Oh. All right. So 4 of the requirements are satisfied because n times p is greater than 10 and n times 1 minus p is greater than 10.
Okay.
Well, yeah, no, p hat, I guess, for those. And then 5, it's still true because the n times p, the n minus 1, or the n times 1 minus p are greater than 10. So those are both satisfied.
And then for 6, a study of first-degree murder trials was conducted in another state. A random sample of 60 people on trial for first-degree murder was taken. Of these, 45 of the defendants were found guilty. Use this information for questions 6 through 8. So what you have to do is just take the 45 of the defendants that were found guilty and divide it by the population, which is
60 people that were on trial. And that should give you 0.750.
Okay.
And then to do the confidence interval, did you read how to set those up?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's basically what we've been doing, except now we're using p hat instead of p. You take the p hat minus your calculated z, which for 95% confidence interval is 1.96. The book gave us that. And then you just times it by the square root of p times 1 minus p, the p hat, and divided by n. And you do the same thing, but adding. And you should get an interval of 0.640 and 0.860.
Looks good. Not too hard.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not as hard as the last one.
yeah, the last one was a lot harder.
Couldn't figure out the ones. That's fine.
So we're on 8, right?
Yeah.
So if you increase the sample size from 60 to 80, the width is going to decrease.
Because now you're dividing by a larger number.
Yes, it's bigger numbers. So
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
So then Nine is just kind of battle it out. You have to take your P, which is 1/2, and times it by numbers until you get it greater than or equal to 10. And then you have to take that same n and times it by 1 minus your P and hope that it's greater than 10. And you just keep doing that until you find one. For this one, we found it to be 20.
Not too bad.
Then same strategy for 10, but it was 100.
And then for 11, you pretty much do the same thing. Go through 80 times 0.6. You'll see that it's equal to 48, and that's greater than or equal to 10. So you just kind of run through the same tests again, and you see that it's true.
And then for finding p hat, you just take your x, which is 38, and divide it by 80, which is your n. And you should get 0.475.
Perfect.
And then to find the test statistic, there's that formula where z equals p hat minus p divided by the square root of p times 1 minus p divided by n, which should be in your book. And then you just plug all the numbers you already have for it, and you should get negative 2.282.
Okay.
And that you can plug into the normal probability applet, and it will give you a value of 0.011 for the area. And then just remember that for finding that area, you need to pay attention to the hypothesis and the alternative and null hypothesis to know which side of your z statistic to highlight your area. And then 15, since our p-value is low, we reject our null hypothesis. And for 16, that means that there is sufficient evidence to conclude that water quality has decreased.
You guys decided what we're going to do for the final project?
No, we haven't even talked about that yet.
Okay, good.
It's not due till Saturday, so
Yeah.
we left it for today. You know the parameters are for that? Maybe what is
To like a design study and write it out. There's like 4 different steps. Let's see here. Folders, actually. I don't even see it.
Oh, it's in the notes from instructor.
under the group project. At the very bottom.
Mine
Where it
won't-
says,
oh, there it is.
oh,
Doesn't let you read.
mine still not good.
Yeah, mine says this content is not yet available.
That's what it says too. I mean, those two.
But then, I learned it says that it's due on Saturday.
Still says it's not.
Tyler.
I bet she,
Tyler, right? No,
well, I bet she tried to change the due date.
maybe.
Or,
Maybe not.
I don't know, we'll have to email her.
Yeah, we'll have to email her because it won't even let us know. And we're clicking on the thing that says it's due Saturday. It says it's available in 6 days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. But do we have a general idea of what we might want to do?
Yeah, maybe she did change the date because the overview doesn't even open.
Okay, so we just have to, what's the basic goal of this project? We have to pick something.
Well, it kind of looked like there might be
We have to come up with like a
preset studies. Because here in her instructor notes for this week, she said, I've noticed that many students like the M&M's project. I don't know.
I think we just like
So I
come up with an alternative hypothesis and we have to like gather data, prove or disprove that what we believe to be true. So something that I was thinking maybe we could do, just with like some of the data that we've seen so far, is maybe we could have like a null hypothesis that people more often use like a credit or debit card to pay for their expenses than they do cash, and then just go like sit at the crossroads or something and see how people pay for their thing.
You do that.
Yeah, that'd be okay.
So something else I was thinking of is in my senior seminar, I have to do a research proposal. And I did one on caffeine consumption. And we could design a questionnaire or something. And just ask students like how much caffeine they consume per week. And then compare it to like the quality of their sleep.
Yeah. Whatever.
I don't know if you do how the students pay.
Yeah, I think we just want to do something pretty simple, easy, just get it done.
Yeah, that'd be all right.
Either one of those is fine. Well, good. We've talked a little bit about what we might do, and I guess we can't really do anything because we don't know what we're supposed to do. So
Yeah. We'll have to mail and find out, I guess.
yeah, so we'll send her an email and then figure out what's going on with everything.
All right, Eric. Did you just let me know what she says, Eric? We can go from there.
Yeah. Yeah, it sounds good.
We'll see you guys on Tuesday.
Yeah, as soon as we end the broadcast, you want to get our phone number so you can text us in case?
Yeah, that works.
Okay. So let me just